Very good afternoon to my dear students. Today I am before you having one of the topic which we have studied in your previous classes, 11th standard, advertisement. On my last turn, I have given you a little video on this notice writing. I think you could understand. I also provided some notes to related to notice, but today we are discussing with you the advertisement. As everybody of you know that it's a time of advertisement and the newspapers are full of advertisements, and the biggest purpose of this advertisement is to the information to the people, to create awareness among the people related to the products or the informations. Broadly there are the two kind of advertisements. One is classified, comes in the classified category, or second comes in the display, or this is called commercial advertisements. Today I'm just discussing with you related to some informations which are related to classified. The difference between classified or commercial is only that in classified the page is fixed, the money is fixed, or the space is fixed. For the commercial display advertisement, this page is not fixed, money is not fixed, or even the space is not fixed. If you pay a lot of money, you can buy the complete page of the newspapers for the advertisement purpose. Today we are just discussing with you related to the classified. Classifieds advertisements having some different kinds of columns, or the columns can be situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, for purchase, to let, tour and travels, missing, lost and found, or last is matrimonial. The some features of these advertisements are: number one, they are written in a block. Number two, first of all we write the name of column, in which column your advertisement is coming. It coming in the situation vacant or situation wanted, or to let, or lost and found. Then the word required, wanted, available, lost and found, these are the starting word. Those are written capital letter. This is according to the demand of the question, which category your advertisement coming. The biggest important thing we have to keep in mind while writing these advertisement, if you divide this into three parts, thing number one is what do you want, आप चाहते क्या हैं. Secondly, you have to write about it. When whatever you want, the person ready to do the same or ready to serve you, in return what will you give to him, उसके बदले में आप उसे क्या देंगे, in the term of salary or cost or expected prices. Or two things are there. After that we comes, if the person ready to accept your services or your terms and condition, where he has to make the contact. Contact include your address and phone, or even the email ID you can write in that. Number two, the biggest important thing is that we have not to write the complete sentences, we have to write the phrases. Phrases in the form very short group of words without any helping verb or main verb. It can be generally adjective can be there, other verbs can be there also, but phrases to be used, and these are also written in the running, not in the points. A running line you can write it about it. And with this video I am sending some notes to you, and these notes will give you the complete information. What are the good features of advertisement, what can be the important point for a column, for situation vacant what kind of column should be there, for wanted, for to let, for sale and purchase. And after reading these points, and you have to note down these points in the copy of you, and on the basis of that I will give you 2 or 3 questions, and you have to prepare the advertisement in your fair copy, and that is to be written in that pattern. I think if you do these classified columns, everybody has to do one a short example of every column, or at the same time you have to paste one example related to that, after cutting from any newspaper, from any magazine, from any reference book, you can have the photo straight copy, whatever that you have to paste. For example point two, already you are preparing the file, but we have to do this work in pair copy for a little point of view. So I think these are the general instruction which I have given to you for your advertisement purpose, especially for classified. And the notes which I am providing you, that will have complete information which can help you to understand. Or still you have any kind of information or any kind of queries, that you can ask me in the personally in this group class 12C or 12th D or humanity, or still you can send your messages and I can reply to you. So I think thank you very much, you couldn't understand that, and after that we will see. And please read the notes and note down the notes in the copy also. Actually these are very important part of these topic. Thank you very much to all.